Raindrops paint the windshield, neon puddles glow, soft scents breathe as the city drifts slow. Streetlights flicker dreams on silent avenues. Hands on the wheel, but my mind's still chasing you. Clock reads 4 a.m., thoughts are crystal clear. Lonely hearts are loudest when no one's near. Midnight drive, tears falling in the hush. Echoes of your laughter linger in the rush. Wishing you were here as these city lights blur. Every mile's a memory, soft and unsure. Rear view reflections, you smile in the rain. Empty passenger seat whispers your name. Radio hums gentle, filling up the space. Longing dressed in silence I can't replace. Midnight drive, tears falling in the hush. Tangled in the yearning I can never touch. Traced on misty windows with every sigh. Love drifts in the quiet when the stars pass by. Letting go in slow motion, breathing out the past. Finding peace in no memories, knowing this won't last. Midnight drive, tears softly fade away. Underneath the sky just turning gray. Dreams give way to daylight as shadows disappear. I let you go with every midnight tear. reflections dance on empty avenues. Mirror memories flicker in a violet hue. I'll find a brand new meaning in the quiet of these skies.